Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is our second last day on our little trip here out in Texas. We are heading out to make a quick stop at Walmart first to pick up a few things, and then we're going to be heading out to our last destination trip with the kids. We are going to an aquarium today. We're going to be visiting a grapevine aquarium. So Sea Life Grapevine Aquarium. Yeah, so that's the one we're going to. They seem to have great reviews, so that's where we're heading right now. It's about 2 o'clock and they close slightly a little bit later. So yeah, the kids are excited to go. It's just gonna be us and my brother and his kids. Okay, see you all in the aquarium. Okay guys, so I just came from the Walmart and we're gonna be going to the aquarium now. We made a quick stop with the kids. We're just gonna be, yeah, we were just printing out some pictures for my mom. I got her a little like wall gallery like little thing. So we printed some of our current pictures of some of the things that we did. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So see you guys at the aquarium. We're gonna be having so much fun. The kids are in the back with my brother. Hi everyone, so that was it for the vlog today. As you can see, we went to the aquarium and everything was so much fun, and went to that restaurant Chili. So really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you like content like this, you want me to post some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss another video from me. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye.